Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to make hard reset for the headphones JBL Live Flex 3. You have to start by put both earbuds to your ears, and after that you should press 2 times on your left or right earbud, and after you pressing 2 times, press and hold for at least 5 seconds and you can hear that power off. So let's test it. Now I will press 2 times and after that press and hold. Now I hear that power off. So put your headphones to the charging case, then close the case and click information icon or settings icon if you have Android. Then forget this device, forget device. Now open the case and click on your headphones to pairing them. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later.